The amount of pride and skill it takes to do their work is what really gets me excited every day. When I walked in the door and I saw what the folks here were doing, it blew me away.
If you ask the average person what spinning is, they don't know. And yet we're a big part of their life, day in and day out. And that's really one of the fun parts about working.
We take either aluminum, steel, stainless steel, galvanized steel, circle it, put it on our lathes, and manufacture a variety of different parts.
It's found everywhere from the agriculture industry to healthcare, to lighting, to automotive, air handling, big volume HVAC systems. If you look for spinnings, you'll find them.
We can make anything that's round, from inlets to venturis to fan panels.
You've actually got to be an artist to make a part.
When you get a hold of them rollers and you start feeling that metal, the way it gives, and you can tell how far you can move it. There's a whole lot of things involved in it.
We want the customer to experience all of the good quality, good customer communication, on-time delivery, everything that we can do to help them make their business better.
We have the equipment that's needed, we have the necessary technical skills, but our people are the ones that really make the difference.
When you're out on the street and you actually see what you make and say, hey, that came from my shop, I made that part.